So in this section, we are going to basically make use of quick interactive reply. So in our last section, we covered all types of reply. The one reply that we did not cover was interactive reply. Why do we need interactive reply? We require interactive reply when the button item exceeds more than three, right? So quick reply supports only three buttons. If we want to have more than three, then we have to make use of interactive reply. But there is a limitation in interactive reply also. There it can have maximum of 10 reply items, right? So in this case, as you could see, there were two more that we wanted was help. The audio reply we were not able to accommodate in the quick reply. So what we'll do is we'll add the interactive reply for like add interactive reply. We'll take off the quick reply, and what we will do is we will just build on this, right? Hi. Okay, and then followed by what we do here, description. Select how may I help you? Something like that. How may I help you? Right? Followed by all the types of reply items, right? So this name, what's the name? Name actually is the button name actually. So I say menu. Menu would be the button name, and then comes menu. What? Yeah. So there is one section menu. So this is the section menu. So specifics are related to WhatsApp interactive reply. So menu item menu. So I'll show how that would look. So I add a button text, I add a name, and then there are different types of menu, right? So one is DIY. So the same thing we are going to repeat, DIY, and there is description of those button also. But we won't do that for now. We have help. What is the reply? Reply is the actual reply that is going to come to the chatbot on select, right? So these are display text. This is a display text, but the actual response that I'm going to get is without a capital case, right? I can decide that what sort of a response reply that I want and what's the display text. Followed by two more items that we want is locate us, locate us, locate us, and the last option, which is user guide, correct? So what we do is we select user guide, right? This is it here, save it. And also I think as you can see, there are different, this is a chat flow, but there is no, I don't have clarity as to what exactly each options are. So I can use something called as aliasing. If you be on top of this, you'll see edit button. I can go and save this as DIY, right? So this helps me where exactly I am, right? I say DIY, or I can say maybe this is a user guide. So this is very helpful when you want to just at one view to just understand what all different options are doing, right? So we have locate us, and then maybe I say this is as help, right? So you can see how I can just do the aliasing, and I know on top directly what all different options are doing. So if there are complex flow, believe me, it's going to get very difficult to understand where to go, and then you have to check all the options to understand which option is doing what. So this is aliasing is helpful, and this is possible for all the items. So you can see I can set it as welcome. So aliasing is possible for all the components, and I'll do this, we do this, and we'll just publish, and we'll show how the interactive reply would appear, right? I publish this, I go here, what we do is I say hi. So technically, instead of quick reply, instead of button, I should be getting an interactive reply. As you can see, there's an interactive, hi Valentin De Silva, how may I help you? And then you can see the button text, which is menu, right? But in the past, you were seeing something like this, right? This is what the buttons were looking. But now it's a concise one. But on clicking this, you are going to have these four options, right? DIY. Let me just select DIY and do a send. In that case, I'll be getting a video, right? I got a video response. Then I go back here. I select help. In that case, I will get a audio response. So it's working similar to quick reply, but the only thing is I can have more than three buttons. I can have even one item, but more than three and less than 10. So I do a locators, and then I'll get a location reply, and then maybe a user guide, which would give me a PDF as a response. So as you can see, we have covered different types of reply. So what were the different types of reply? Quick reply, interactive reply, image reply, video reply, document reply, location, audio. So text reply is one more, right? So all this reply basically helps you based on user input to give relevant responses, right? So some responses may require image as a response, some may require video. So you have that ability to build your chat flow according to what the user inputs are. So in the next section, we are going to cover the different the other parts, other offering of chatbot builder, and stay tuned.